Looking for brownie pans? Our kitchen appliance experts bought and tested the top 10 best brownie pans for families available in 2021 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect brownie pans for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 10 on our list. We have the USA Pan Bakeware Aluminized Steel Brownie Bite Pan. If you are craving brownies but wish to watch your calories, then the USA Pan's Brownie Bite Panel Pan is a superb selection. This pan makes 20 mini brownies which are all corner bits. Like most USA Pan's bakeware, this pan is made of an aluminized steel which transfers heat quickly and bakes evenly. The pan can also be corrugated, allowing for greater airflow which can help keep brownies out of burning off, and is coated using a non-stick silicone which brownies slide straight off. USA pans make a conventional 9 from 9 brownie pan. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 9 on our list, we have the Baker's Edge Non-Stick Edge Brownie Pan. This pan is the first, but nevertheless made in the USA, Edge Brownie Pan. A pan which was made to be the best brownie pan conceived. This patented pan includes 2 naturally occurring advantages to each brownie it bakes. Those amazing interior walls also enhance your baking operation by circulating heat evenly into the pan's center, in which material generally takes a bit longer to bake. To top it off, we left it super heavy responsibility and non-stick, therefore it's going to never warp and become a great deal easier to wash. We added recessed grips to supply you with a simple grab once the pan is flipped upside down. The Edge Brownie Pan has rapidly become a bestseller and has gained rave reviews from bakers everywhere. The Edge Brownie Pan is 100% made in the USA, and every pan also includes a flexible nylon spatula and a brownie recipes fit. At number 8 on our list, we have the OXO Good Grips Non-Stick Pro Cake Pan. OXO Good Grips Non-Stick Brownie Pan has a professional design that could fulfill even the most demanding experts. To begin with, this brownie pan is made of commercial-grade aluminized steel, which offers rapid and even heat distribution. Secondly, this pan is reinforced with 2 layers of non-stick ceramic which makes it resistant to scratches, stains, and corrosion whilst also helps you immediately discharge the cake. Third, OXO Good Grips Non-Stick Pro Brownie Pan includes a micro-textured pattern that will help minimize contact surfaces between the brownie and the pan, even while fostering greater airflow during the cake, which makes the cake as equally and well as you can. The square-wrapped borders with a strengthened structure provide a safe grip that can help you move the pan in the oven, concurrently raising the strength and endurance. Eventually, OXO Good Grips Non-Stick Pro Brownie Pan appeared at the last round of this 2018 Home Appliance Innovation Award. At number 7 on our list, we have the Wilton Performance Pans Aluminum Square Cake and Brownie Pan. In almost any brownie pan, the very first thing you have to think about following the size variable is the material used for your pan. As a totally baked brownie always needs even heat distribution, acquiring an aluminum gauge-made pan similar to this one could be a worthwhile thought. This 8.9 inches square-shaped pan includes a thickness of 2 inches which guarantees one of the high-rise brownies in addition to cakes. You will find different sizes available from 6 to 16 inches of their square, rectangle, and rounded shapes. As I mentioned previously, you got an aluminum structure. It guarantees you heating for uniform baking. The substance is rust-resistant for commercial-level functionality. So, yeah, if you're a professional baker, this pan will probably suit you also. Just be certain that you receive the bigger pan for industrial purposes. The surface comes quite easy and makes decoration much simpler. Its sturdy sides and wrapped lips help bake beautifully straight edges if you attempt making brownies or cakes. Cleaning the pan is as easy as a pie. It is simple to wash it in warm soapy water to get the very best cleaning results. At number 6 on our list, we have the Gotham Steel Non-Stick Brownie Pan. The Gotham Steel Brooklyn Brownie Copper Non-Stick Baking Pan offers virtually everything in one pan. This version permits you to combine your batter in the pan using an electric mixer without even coping with scrapes or peeling afterward. Additionally, with Gotham Steel Brooklyn Brownie Copper Non-Stick Baking Pan, it is possible to bake your brownie on your toaster around 500°F and slides it from the pan without needing to use lots of oil. Better still, the pan's bottom may be utilized as a serving tray once you extract the divider. Not only for brownies alone, but it is also possible to make yummy mini cakes using this brownie pan. Further, its cooking flexibility extends to creating pre-sliced pizza squares to get your lunch a great deal of fun. Another unbelievable thing about Gotham Steel Brooklyn Brownie Copper Non-Stick Baking Pan is really a non-stick coating, which guarantees cleaning after having a breeze. You might even create a Rice Krispie treat and make sure of cleaning without using oil or butter. At number 5 on our list, we have the Pyrex FBA 1,105,395 Basics 8.13 Square. This square baking pan by Pyrex is excellent for anybody who wants tender, semi-gooey brownies because of the 2.1-inch thickness. As it is made from obviously BPA-free and non-toxic glass, you may be certain that it is a healthy option. This pan is microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe also, and it steps 8.1 inches from 8.1 inches. Just don't forget to always preheat your oven prior to placing your Pyrex dish inside of it, and never use it for stovetop cooking. Even though Pyrex dishes are developed to withstand baking temperatures, exposing them to lead flames or immersing them in cold water whenever they are still warm from the oven may cause them to shatter. At number 4 on our list, we have the Wilton Brownie Bar Pan. Regardless of what you are creating, the durable non-stick and scratch-resistant coating onto our Recipe Right Non-Stick, Everglide, and Perfect Results Non-Stick Bakeware enables your food to slip or pop out easily, which makes cleanup nearly effortless. The measurements have been stamped on the handles for simple reference, and all are dishwasher safe. Non-stick bakeware is a must-have for busy cooks. If you are a regular baker, these are to be a staple in your kitchen. The heavy gauge structure offers long-lasting durability and enables heat so food cooks thoroughly. Grab bits out of our lineup of aluminum bakeware or create baking much more pleased with any of the numerous shaped pans out of the collection. You will enjoy years old from such pans. Using silicone pans and molds may open you up to a completely new approach to baking. Typically, there is no doubt that the pan and foods inhale quickly and equally with burning or overcooking. You simply need to provide the silicone a fast twist and meals pop right out. The low-carb surface makes cleanup fast and simple. Another huge advantage is they are freezer, refrigerator, microwave dishwasher, and oven safe. There are so many more things that you can do together also, such as molding ice cubes, gelatin as well as ice cream. These elastic molds and pans will get a favorite go-to from the kitchen. At number 3 on our list, we have the Bacalicious Crispy Corner Brownie Pan. The faces of this pan will also be molded into tight octagons. This design bakes a dozen octagonal brownies, and each brownie has 4 sharp borders, meaning that you get 48 brownie crusts instead of 4 sides. The inside pan is coated in a non-toxic non-stick with no PFOA or PTFE. Together with the bead, ridges help the pan warm and trendy quicker by increasing the conductive surface area. The cut-out borders do alleviate simple movement, however, since the grooves make appropriate finger holds. The diamond-shaped ridges or posts are patented. They ensure your brownies bake both with crunchy outsides and sweetly gooey insides. The posts also part the brownies naturally, so they cook quicker. This non-stick carbon skillet doesn't need seasoning. At number 2 on our list, we have the Fat Daddy-O's Sheet Cake Pan. Who does not adore a cake pan which may make both dessert and dinner? This anodized aluminum Fat Daddy POB 8122 pan is ideal for cakes and brownies and casseroles and lasagnas. It is likewise freezer safe, so don't hesitate to store your meal for afterward. One good thing about this particular pan is that it reflects warmth, it does not absorb it. This pan heats and cools quicker, your brownies come out as you have been dreaming, but you may have to modify your recipes if you have been using a skillet that is darker. This can be a pan that is built as hard as those that they use in commercial kitchens and bakeries. You will get professional results for this beauty, and 8 by 12 inches of 2-inch deep mouth-watering brownies. And finally, at number 1 on our list, we have the Chicago Metallic Professional Slice Solutions Brownie Pan. The following pan on the listing of the best brownie pans would be for all those brownie perfectionists out there. If you fight to make brownies in pieces, you're certain to enjoy the design of the pan. The Chicago Metallic Professional Slice Solutions Brownie Pan has been produced in 3 components. Each piece was made from heavy-duty aluminized steel for improved durability. The outer pan measures 16 inches by 10 inches, whereas the horizontal sheet measures 12.5 inches by 8.5 inches. It's intended to fit snugly within the primary pan so that not one of your brownie mix goes to waste. All you need to do is put the insert down within the pan and then pour your mix inside. The horizontal metal plate includes 1.5-inch handles on both sides, which perfectly fit the thickness of the pan. The metallic grid also will come with big rectangular looped handles on both sides. This makes it effortless to lift the grid and from this brownie pan. The grid is intended to supply you with 18 perfectly uniform brownie bits. This conserves arguments over which members of the team will find the largest bits. But you may even bake brownies and other treats with no grid setup, should you desire. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.